Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss how to turn on typing sound on Samsung. Let's dive in. The first step is to open Settings. Tap the Settings app on your home screen. Step 2. Navigate to General Management. Scroll down and select General Management. Step 3. Access Samsung Keyboard Settings. Tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Step 4. Go to Swipe, Touch and Feedback. Select Swipe, Touch and Feedback. Step 5. Enable touch feedback. Tap on touch feedback, then toggle sound to on. Alternatively, you can adjust keyboard sounds via Settings, Open Sounds and Vibration, Open System Sound or Vibration Control. Here, ensure that Samsung keyboard sound is enabled. Note, if your device is set to silent or vibrate mode, keyboard sounds may be muted. To hear typing sounds, switch to sound mode. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.